Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. So today, we'll be unboxing something from Sub Garage. Then this will be my third one of these. It is the Sub Garage license plate frame. This is what it looks like. Stainless steel. They sell them in stainless and black. They're both made of stainless, but they sell them in stainless and black colors. This one is obviously the black. They sell 2-hole and 4-hole variants. So this is the 4-hole, which is what I have in my other vehicles. Obviously a 2-hole would only have 2 holes. And that's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like on a vehicle. So there it is on my Mercedes. So I ordered one for the Mini. This is it here, and we're going to install it. So we have the frame itself. The frame is a top and bottom, obviously. You want to be able to read the text. So the plate is going to go in like this. You want to center it. And then we're going to install the screws. All right, so these are available in 2-hole or 4-hole. They're available in silver or black, and they are available with and without what they call hardware hiders. And the hardware hiders are hiders for your hardware. Basically, a way to not see the screw heads from behind the vehicle. So I ordered the 4-hole model with the hardware hiders in black. So to start off, we're going to get this lined up, and we're going to start one of the screws. These hardware hiders are screw-on, so there's like a plastic bottom and then a cap. You just unscrew them and they come apart like that. And my recommendation would be to do the 4-hole if your car has 4 holes. So all license plates are going to have 4 holes, but not all cars are going to have 4 holes. So if your car does have threaded holes behind the license plate for all 4, I would recommend that you do 4, just because it makes it so that your license plate doesn't rattle when you close your trunk, or if you have a subwoofer in the car or something like that, it can help with rattles from that. Just in general, the license plate has 4 holes. The mount should have 4 holes as well. So we'll get this centered. There's one. I realize that the plate is beat up and these stickers look like crap. I'm going to order another plate as soon as I receive my registration, because I like the black plates, the California black plates, better. They will look better on the car. It's black and yellow, so the car's black and orange. Fits pretty well. So here are the caps. Let's screw them on. I mean, like I said, the hardware hiders are optional. 4-hole is optional. You've got a lot of different choices for a simple license plate frame, but that's what it looks like installed. And I think that it looks even better if you've got a black plate. But so that's it, nice and simple. Have a great day.